Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'm going to taking you on a step-by-step guide on how to use Testnet features. So this is a new feature on your Pi browser. So if you don't have a Pi browser, I advise you to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and download one. Just type in Pi browser and you're going to be able to install it to your device. Now, so when you open it, the next thing you have to do is to click on the wallet option here. You just have to enter your passphrase in order to have access to your testnet. So you're going to see a drop down close to the Pi mainnet. Click on it, click on the testnet option here. So from here you just have to click on the token. So you're going to see the number of token you have, if you have a token at all. So you're going to see more token, you're going to see liquidity pool, and you're going to see more liquidity P. So if you have any of these, you're going to see how many they are. You're going to see also how to add token. If you want to add token, if you want to enable any of your token, just click on the enable option. You can see the ones you have enabled, and you're going to see the list of token that you would like to enable from here. I don't have, that's why it's not showing. So if you have more token, you can also from here you can get more token, see the price tag to it, and you'll be able to buy more token if you want to buy. So guys, that is it on how to use testnet feature. And take note, this testnet feature is not yet available on your mainnet. It is only available on your testnet, so you can just make use of it from your testnet for now. Very soon it will be available on your Pi mainnet. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more helpful tips like this that makes money. Thanks for watching.